Hello students, my name is Jatin and today we are going to do part 2 of arithmetic progression. In the part 1 we have already learned about the basic concepts of AP, and in this part we are going to learn about some particular terms of AP and the formula for this sum of n terms. Okay, so let's begin with some particular terms of an AP. Now in this concept, first of all, AP will not be given to you. Okay, AP will not be given to us, and if AP is not given to us, then we will have to assume some terms in AP. Okay, if AP is not given, then we will assume some AP, assume some terms in AP. Okay, and the second thing is the sum will be given to you. The sum of terms will be given. Sum of terms will be given, and also the product of terms will be given. Product of terms will be given. Now these are the three criterias of this concept. Okay, first of all, AP will not be given to us. AP will have to assume. Sum will be given to us, and the product will be given to us. Okay, now let's move on to next slide. Now in case AP is not given, so how will we assume some terms in AP? So first thing, in case of assuming first three terms, in case of assuming first three terms in AP, then you will always assume a minus d comma a plus d as your first three terms of AP. Okay, don't assume a plus d a plus 2d as your first three terms. Never assume these terms, because your question will get complicated. Okay, always assume a minus d, a and a plus d as your first three terms of AP. Now in case of assuming four terms, then you will always assume a minus 3d comma a minus d comma a plus d comma a plus 3d as your four terms of AP. Do not assume a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d as your four terms. Never ever. Okay, always assume a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d as your four terms, and in case of three terms, a minus d, a and a plus d. You will have to remember these. Okay, these terms. Okay, always assume these terms. Now what type of question will come? Let's see some questions, then you will get more clear about this concept. Okay, now the question will be like this: the sum of these terms, I have told you that the sum will be given to you. The sum of three terms in AP is 21, and their तनिष्क बाद में आना, their product is 231. Find the numbers. Okay, now this type of question will be given to you. Okay, now this question talks about तनिष्क बाद में आना. Now this question talks about three terms in AP. Okay, now in case of three terms, I have told you that in case of three terms you will assume a minus d comma a plus d as your first three terms. First three terms. Okay, now the sum is given to you. Sum means addition, so a minus d plus a plus d is the addition, and what is given to us as 21. So let's solve this. 3a and d will get cancelled, so 3a will be 21. So you have got the value of a as 7. Okay, now we have got the value of a as 7. So now we will find d. Now how will we find d? By the using the product. Okay, if product of these three terms is given to us, a minus d into a plus d as 231. Okay, now the product is given to us. We have got the value of a. You put the value of a. 7 minus d into 7 into 7 plus d is equal to 231. So take the 7 below 231. So if we divide 231 by 7, we will get 7 3 is 21 and 7 3 is 21. So 7 minus d, 7 plus d we will get as 33. So a minus d, can we put the formula of a minus b and a plus b, a square minus b square. So 7 ka square minus d ka square is equal to 33. Okay, so 49. No, I will solve in the left hand side. So we have got the value of a and we are solving this. 7 minus d into 7 plus d is equal to 33. So 49 minus d square is equal to 33. So 49 minus 33 is equal to d square. Now what is this? 16 is equal to d square when we have got the value of d as plus 4 and minus 4. Okay, so we have got the value of a, we have got the value of d. Now find the first three terms of AP. Okay, you have to assume both the cases when d is plus 4 and when d is, इसको मिटा देते हैं यहाँ पे, when d is minus 4 and what we have got the value of a is 7 na, a is 7. So the first three terms were a minus d comma a plus d. So 7 minus 4 comma 7 plus 4, these will be the first three terms. So 7 minus 4 is 3 comma 7 comma 11. Okay, in case when d is minus 4, then a minus d comma a plus d. Okay, so 7 minus का minus 4 comma 7 plus into minus 4. Okay, now 7 ये हो गया 11, ये हो गया 7 और ये हो गया 3. Okay, so these are the first three terms of AP. The question will be like this only. Okay, now we will do one more question. Now find four numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and the product of, एक second, sum is 20 and the sum of whose squares is, let's do this type of question. Okay, in case of four terms, let me change it. The sum is 20 and the sum of whose squares is 120. Okay, so find four numbers in AP. Okay, we will have to find some four numbers in AP. Now in this question we are given four terms of AP. Okay, this question talks about four terms. Now I have already told you, in case of four terms we will assume a minus 3d and a minus d comma a plus d comma a plus 3d as our first four terms. Okay, so let these will be the first four terms of an AP. Okay, so we are given the sum is 20. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is 20. That is what is given to us. Okay, so we will solve it. A and a, 4a minus 3d plus 3d will get cancelled. Okay, and minus d and plus d will also get cancelled. So 4a will be 20 and a will be 5. So we have got the value of a as 5. Okay, now in the second statement we are given the sum of squares is 120. Okay, sum of squares is 120. Now a minus 3d का whole square plus a minus d का whole square plus a plus d का whole square plus a plus 3d का whole square, that is what is given to us as 120. Okay, now solve this. So we have to apply the formula of a minus b whole square. बड़ा हो जाएगा, चलो लगाते हैं. a square plus 9d square, a square plus 9d square minus 6 6d into a okay, again a square, remove the bracket ना, थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, a square plus d square minus 2ad, फिर यहाँ पे a square plus d square plus 2ad and a square plus 9d square plus 6ad. Now 6ad and minus 6ad will get cancelled, okay, and a square, this a square, this a square, this a square and this square will become 4a square, okay. Now 9d square, 9d square plus 9d square will be 18d square, this 18d square, okay, और यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा 18 19 20, so plus 20d square, okay, and here minus 2ad and plus 2ad will get cancelled, okay, so we are left with 4a square plus 20d square as 120, okay. Now we will solve this. Now we will put the value of a. We have got the value of a as 5 now. Yes, a was 5, so 4 into 5 ka square plus 20d square is equal to 120. So now 5 5 is 25, 25 into 4 100 and 100 उस तरफ जाएगा तो 20d square will be 20 and d square will be 1, so d will be plus minus 1, okay. So we have got the value of d as plus minus 1. Now we can easily find the first 4 terms of AP. Let me rub it. Now what were our 4 terms? A minus 3d, a plus a minus d, a plus 3d and sorry a plus d and a plus 3d. These were our 4 terms, okay. So we have got the value of a as 5, we have got the value of d as plus 1 and minus 1. This is plus 1 when d is 1, so a minus 3d comma a plus sorry a minus d comma a plus d comma a plus 3d. Now put the values, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 1 second, 5 minus 1 comma 5 plus 1 comma 5 plus 3, okay. Now this will be 2, this will be 4, this will be 6 and this will be 8. Now these are the first 4 terms of AP. When in case when d is minus 1 and a is 5, then a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, okay. Now put the values, 5 minus 3 into minus 1 comma 5 minus minus 1 comma 5 plus minus 1 comma 5 plus 3 into minus 1. So this will be 8, this will be 6, this will be 4 and this will be 2. So these are the first 4 terms of AP. Now you have got the concept and you have got the questions also. So let's move on to next concept, okay. Now next concept is in case if A B and C are the first 3 terms of AP, if these are the first 3 terms of AP, then can you observe one thing here? What is D? D is second term minus first term or the third term minus the second term. I have told you na, D is the difference of 2 consecutive terms in the AP. Now A, B, C are the 3 consecutive, okay. A and B are consecutive and B and C are consecutive, okay. 1 second, okay. Now D is, can I write D as B minus A? B minus A because second term minus first term is D, and can I write also C minus B as D, okay. Third term minus second term is also D, okay. The difference between the 2 consecutive term is D now, so can I write D like this, okay. So if I can write D as B minus A and C minus B, so can I equate these two, B minus A with C minus B, because both are D, okay. Take the B to the left hand side, so B plus B will be C plus A, okay, and 2B will be C plus A and B will be C plus A by 2. This is the observation. So in short, the second term in AP is the average of first and the third term of that AP, okay. Now what I have said, that you can see here that the second term of AP, second term is B, is the average, average means what, sum upon my total number of terms, sum of terms upon my total number of terms is the average na. So the average of first and the third term of AP, you can see here also, C plus A upon 2, okay, is the average of first and the third term is the second term of AP. Okay, now what type of question will be based in this concept? So let's do one question. Let's do some easy question first. To an AP, find the value of x. Okay, if 2x comma x plus 10 comma 3x plus 2 are in AP, find the value of x. Okay, this will be the question. Now we have seen in the previous slide that if we are given the 3 terms of AP, then second minus first term will be equal to the third minus second term. Okay, now this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and second minus first term will be equal to third minus second term, because both are D. D means consecutive, common difference, the difference of consecutive terms. So 2x and x plus 10 are consecutive, and x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are consecutive. So solve this. Minus x plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 2. Okay, 2 and 2, minus x plus 10 will be 2x. Okay, now am I doing it right? क्वेश्चन सही लिखा है ना, 3x plus 2, sorry, this will be 10. Now third term minus second term, second term is x plus 10. Okay, so x plus 10 minus 2x is equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. Okay, so here is minus x plus 10, and here will be 2x minus 8. Okay, 3x will be 10 plus 8, so 18 will be 3x, and x will be 6. So we have got the value of 6. Let's put the value. So the first, no, we have to find the value of x now. Let's also find the first 3 terms of AP. On the 3 terms will be, 1 second, draw, 2 into 6 comma 6 plus 10 comma 3 into 6 plus 2. Okay, I hope you have got the concept. 12 comma 16 comma 20. Let's do one more question based on this concept. One more important. Determine the value of k, determine the value of k so that k square plus 4k plus 8 comma 3k plus 6. This is an important question. Okay, 3k square plus 4k plus 4 are consecutive terms of an AP. Now in this question, you are given the first 3 terms of an AP, you just have to apply the average wala concept. Okay, now solution. If these are the first 3 terms of an AP, can I write second term minus first term as equal to the third term minus second term? Okay, so second term is 3k plus 6. Okay, you will write first. Okay, this is the second term, k square plus 4k plus 8 is the first term, 3k square plus 4k plus 4 is the third term in AP. You will write like this. Okay, so D, and then you will write D is equal to B, second term minus first term, second term minus first term, and D is equal to third term minus second term. Okay, you will write like this, then you will apply actually. Then 3k plus 6 minus the first term, k square plus 4k plus 8 is equal to third term, 3k square plus 4k minus plus 4 minus 3k plus 6. Now you will solve it simply. Okay, so here it will be 3k plus 6 minus k square minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 3k square plus 4k प्लस 4 माइनस 3k माइनस 6. ओके, सॉल्व दिस. 3k ये हो जाएगा माइनस के, यहाँ पे आ रहा है कहीं पे माइनस के, नहीं आ रहा, तो इस तरफ आ जाएगा ना. तो एक काम करते हैं, इसको लिखते हैं माइनस के स्क्वायर माइनस 3k स्क्वायर. ठीक है, आराम आराम से सॉल्व करते हैं. सो यहाँ हो जाएगा -2 और फिर यहाँ पे ये -4k आएगा और -3k आएगा, -4k प्लस 3k आएगा और यहाँ पे एक सेकेंड, हाँ ठीक है, और ये -2 और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा वो +2. सो ये 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और यहाँ पे ये -k और -k -2k हो जाएगा और फिर ये -k स्क्वायर -4k स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है, एक बार देख लेते हैं दोबारा. एक कांस्टेंट कहाँ गए, -2 + 2 कैंसिल हो गए. ठीक है, सो एक मिनट, कैलकुलेशन यहाँ मैं ऊपर कर लेता हूँ. k की वैल्यू या तो 0 आएगी या 2 आएगी. ठीक है, सो देखते हैं यहाँ पे दोबारा. 3k + 6 -k स्क्वायर -4k -8. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 3k स्क्वायर + 4k +4 -3k -6. अब यहाँ पे ये सॉल्व हुआ तो मैंने करा 3k यहाँ पे -k हो गया ये. ठीक है, और -k स्क्वायर मैंने ऐसे ही रखा और 3k स्क्वायर को इस तरफ लिया और यहाँ पे मैंने रखा -2. ठीक है, यहाँ तक तो. उसके बाद मैं वहाँ पे 4k को इस तरफ लाया तो -4k और 3k को इस तरफ लाया तो +3k और ये हो जाएगा -6 + 4 -2 और इस तरफ आएगा तो +2. ठीक है, +2 एंड -2 विल गेट कैंसल्ड. ओके, एंड -k स्क्वायर -4k स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा ये, ठीक है, सब कुछ ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक 2k कॉमन. सो अगर 2k कॉमन आ जाएगा तो अंदर क्या बचेगा, -1 बचेगा और -2 बचेगा, 2k बचेगा. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 0. सो यहाँ से हमारे पास हमने -2k कॉमन लिया ना, तो -2k अगर हमने कॉमन लिया तो अंदर तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, तो ये प्लस और ये भी प्लस. अब ठीक है सब कुछ. हाँ, सो k की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएगी, एक तो k की वैल्यू 0 आएगी. ठीक है, और दूसरी k की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1 + 2k इज इक्वल टू 0. सो k विल बी -1/2. सो दीज विल बी द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ k. ओके, डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ k. ठीक है, k की वैल्यू निकालनी थी, हमने k की वैल्यू निकाल दी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आई हैव दिस क्वेश्चन. सो ये हो गया. इफ सम ऑफ 3 numbers in AP is -3 and their product is 8, find the numbers. Again, here in this question we are given the 3 terms and AP is not given to us, so we will assume some AP. So and this question talks about 3 terms, so what 3 terms we will assume? A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay, with the time you will remember this. Okay, with the time if you practice the question you will remember this. Okay, A minus D, A and A plus D, we have to assume these as are 3 terms. Okay, so we are given the sum, so A minus D plus A plus D is equal to -3. Okay, D and D cancel, so 3A is equal to -3, so A will be -1. Okay, if A is -1, then we are also given product, so product is 8. लेट्स पुट दी वैल्यू ऑफ -1, तो उस तरफ जाएगा वो तो -8 बना देगा इसको. ठीक है, ये a अगर इसके नीचे चला जाएगा तो हमारे पास बचेगा A minus D and A plus D as -8. A square minus D square is equal to -8. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ A. ठीक है, -1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही होता है. ठीक है, और ये D square is equal to -8 उस तरफ आएगा तो ये 9 is equal to D square, so the value of D will be +3 and -3. Okay, you have got the value of A, you have got the value of D. Find the AP. me rub it, इसको मिटाते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट टर्म इज A minus D था ना पहला टर्म, तो -1 when D is -3. ठीक है, when D is -3, so -1 कॉमा -3 -1 एंड -1 प्लस का -3, ठीक है। एक सेकेंड, -1 यहाँ पे डबल माइनस आएगा, अब ठीक है। सो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा -1 + 3, ठीक है। तो ये हो जाएगा 2 कॉमा -1 और ये हो जाएगा -1 -3 -4, ठीक है। सही करा है ना? हाँ ठीक है। तो एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं दोबारा। ए की वैल्यू तो -1 है, तो -1 डाल दी, और a माइनस डी विल बी -1 का माइनस when d इज़ -3 ना, ठीक है। तो एक मिनट, -1 माइनस का 2 विल बी -3 एंड -4, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, सब ठीक है। एंड सेकेंड विल बी when d is +3 and a is -1, so a minus d, a and a plus d, what will be these terms? Okay, so -1 -3 comma -1 comma -1 plus 3, okay, simple, -4 comma -1 comma 2. So these are the first 3 terms. Now we will move on to the sum wala concept. Next concept and a very important concept, sum of first and terms of AP. Suppose if we are given the AP is a plus d, a plus d plus d means 2d, a plus d plus d plus d is 3d, a plus 4d dot 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 till a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in case if we have to find the sum of these terms, okay, if we have to find the sum of all these terms, then we have a formula for this, okay. Now this formula you have to remember as it is, okay. In case sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d, okay. This is the formula that you need to remember. Now we have another formula for this also, okay. If we rearrange some terms, n by 2, write n by 2 as n by 2, break 2a in a plus a and write it as a plus n minus 1 into d simply, okay. Now n by 2 a, can I write a plus n minus 1 into d as the last term? Last term को हम क्या बोलते थे, an से denote करते थे ना. So can I write like this, a plus an, okay. Now this is the second formula. Sometimes we will apply this formula or sometimes this formula, okay. When we will be given the last term, then we will directly apply the नीचे वाला formula, n by 2 a plus an. And in case if we are not given the last term, then we will apply this wala formula, lamba wala, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, okay. This formula you need to remember as it is, okay. Now question will be simple, just apply the formula and find the value, okay. Now what type of question? Find the sum of 20 terms of AP ये है 1, 4, 7, 10. Now this will be the question and we have to find the sum of 20 terms. Now this 20 is our n, okay. Now n is 20 because we have to find the sum of all total 20 terms of AP, okay. So we are given n की value, we are given the AP also. So in AP first we will write the value of a is 1 and d is 4 minus 1, that is 3, okay. Now you will apply the formula, simple, s20 you will write because sn na, and n is 20, so n by 2 2a plus dot 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 a AP में n minus 1 into d, ठीक है. Simply put the values and find the answer. 20 by 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into d. So ये हो जाएगा आपका 10 into 2 plus 19 into 3. So 10 ब्रैकेट में कितना हो जाएगा, 19 3 से कितना होता है 57, हाँ 19 3 से 57 50, तो ये हो जाएगा 59. So answer is 590 is the sum of first 20 terms. Now let's do one more question. Find the sum of first 24 terms of AP, as AP is given 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, this is the AP, and you have to find this sum of first 24 terms of AP. That means n is given to you. Okay, it means n is given to us as 24. A you will get from AP. A is 5 and D is 8 minus 5, that is 3. Again D is 3. Just apply the formula, nothing else. S24 n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now 24 by 2 2 into 5 plus 24 minus 1 into D. So this will be 12 plus 12 bracket में 10 plus 23 into 3. So 12 into 10 plus 69. So 12 into 79 is the answer. Okay, 23 3 3 9 3 2 6. ओके ठीक है, तो 7. अब देखो मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं. 12 इंटू 79 को कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस 70 प्लस 9. ठीक है, लिख सकते हैं ऐसे. तो ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, इसको तो ईजी है. 840 हो जाएगा और यहाँ 12 9 सा 108 होता है. सिंपली प्लस कर दो तो ये कितना हो जाएगा. 8 4 9 948 इज द आंसर. नाउ what other type of questions we have? Now in case if the sum is given and you have to find some value. Okay, अगर sum given है तो अगर मान लो अगर हमें n निकालना है, find n we have to find. So let's do one type of question. So how many, question will be like this, how many terms of series 54, 51, 48 be taken so that their sum is 513. Now we are given the sum and we have to find the value of n. Okay, so how will we do this? Apply the formula again. We have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and you will get the value of a as 54 and d as 54. 51 minus 54 कितना होता है, minus 3. So and sum we are given. Okay, sum is 513. So apply 513 is equal to n by 2 2 into 54 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. ठीक है, सॉल्व करो यार इसको. मैं चाहूँ तो यहीं छोड़ दूँ लेकिन नहीं, 2 कॉमन नहीं ले सकते तो 2 को उस तरफ लेके जाना पड़ेगा. 26 1026. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू n 54 इंटू 2 108. चाओ 4 8. ठीक है, प्लस 3n माइनस, एक सेकेंड, ये माइनस होगा तो ये हो जाएगा 3n प्लस 3. ठीक है, सॉल्व करें इसको. 1026 इज इक्वल टू 108n. सही कर रहा हूँ ना मैं, एक सेकेंड पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 108 प्लस 3 111 ना. हाँ ठीक है, 111. सो माइनस 3n, तो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 111n माइनस 3n स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1026. नाउ सिंपल वी हैव टू डू द स्प्लिटिंग वाला पार्ट आई हेट. Now I think you can do it on your own. Shall I do it? देखता हूँ अगर होता है तो. 3n square minus 111n plus 1026. Find the LCM of 1026. So 2 5 1 3. ठीक है ना. ठीक है, अब ये किससे जाएगा 513. 513 किससे जाएगा, 3 से जाएगा. 3 1 से 3, हाँ चला जाएगा 3 से. सो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 3 1 से 3, 3 7 से 21 एंड 3 1 से 3. तो 2 3 इंटू 171. ठीक है, अब 171 किससे जाएगा मेरे ख्याल से. जाएगा तो सही किसी से. 7 से देखते हैं, एक सेकेंड. 171 पहले उससे देखते हैं ना, 3 से. 3 5 से 15. ठीक है, 2 1 हाँ जाएगा तो 357. ठीक है, अब 57 तो मेरे ख्याल से 19 से ही जाएगा. एक मिनट, 3 से भी चला जाएगा ना, एक सेकेंड. 3 19 सा, अब 19 तो प्राइम हो गया तो 19 1 सा. अब देखो इसका प्लस माइनस. 57 को नहीं रख सकते ऊपर, ठीक है, 111 बनाना है ना मैं, 111, सो 3 2 6 3 ज़ा 18, 18 3 ज़ा नहीं, 54 एंड 19 नहीं होगा, 57 एंड 18 नहीं होगा, कुछ और, पहले एलसीएम देख लेते हैं एक बारी, 2 113 2 117 3 17 3 51, ठीक है, 3 5 ज़ा, एक सेकेंड मैंने यहाँ कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर दिया, 171 को जब मैंने करा, ठीक है, ये भी 57 3 19, ठीक है सब ठीक है, तो 19 3 से 57 से हम नहीं ले सकते, तो 19 2 ज़ा 38 से ले लें इसको, तो अगर हम 38 को अलग रखें, 38 + 27 कितना होता है, नहीं इससे भी नहीं होगा, किससे होगा ये स्प्लिट, स्प्लिटिंग में दिक्कत हो रही है ना, एक सेकेंड, हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया है मेरे ख्याल से, या एक काम करते हैं ना, पहले 3 को कॉमन ले लें यहाँ से, इजी हो जाएगा, 111 जाएगा 3 से, 3 3 ज़ा 9, ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 21, ठीक है, पहले ना 3 को कॉमन ले लेते हैं यहाँ से, लेट्स टेक 3 कॉमन, सो अगर हम 3 को कॉमन ले लें तो ये हो जाएगा n² - 37n, और ये देखना ज़रा, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3, ठीक है, कॉमन ले लिया ना, अब हमारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा ये, एक सेकेंड, ठीक है, अब इसको मिटा दो, लंबी कैलकुलेशन करने से बच जाएंगे हम, तो हमारे पास बचा n² - 37n + 342 = 0, हमने 3 कॉमन ले लिया, ठीक है, अब 342 का एलसीएम निकालते हैं, सो 342 का अगर हम एलसीएम निकालेंगे तो 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 1 ज़ा 3 एंड 1 1 4, ठीक है, अब ये 2 से जाएगा, 2 5 ज़ा 10 एंड 2 7 ज़ा, अब ये 3 19 से जाएगा, ठीक है, और ये 19 1 से जाएगा, ठीक है, सो अब ये हो जाएगा आपका, हमें 37 चाहिए ना, तो 19 को ऐसे लिखते हैं, तो 3 2 ज़ा 6 3 ज़ा 18, 18 और 19 इज़, ठीक है, आ गया, चलो हो गया ये क्वेश्चन भी, स्प्लिटिंग वाले पार्ट में टाइम लगता है, लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ तो 3 को कॉमन लेके आप कैलकुलेशन ईजी कर सकते हो, तो n² - 18n - 19n + 342 = 0, सो n - 18 माइनस 19 कॉमन लो, n - 18, सो n की वैल्यू आ गई, n = +19 एंड n = 18, ओके, सो नाउ what value of n we will accept if we have got the sum of first 18 terms as 513, so can you guess what will be the value of 19th term? Have you understood my question? My question to you is, if we have got the value of n as 19 and 18, okay, so 18 terms is the previous term, preceding term of 19, okay, now if the sum of 18 terms is 513, so can we guess the value, so if the sum of 19 terms is also 513, so can we guess the value of 19th term? What I am saying is that if sum of 18th term, ठीक है, 18 term का sum हमें given है कितना, 513, and sum of 19 terms is also 513, so can I say that 19th term will be 0? ठीक है, 19th term will be 0 because we have got the value of n as 18 and the sum of 18 terms is 513, first term, second term plus third term plus fourth term till 18th term we have got this sum as 513, and if the sum of 19th term is also 513, so can I say 19th term will be 0? Okay, think over it, you will get. Okay, now last concept in this chapter, last concept, in case if we remove some terms in AP, okay, let's take an AP 2, 4, 6, dash, 10, okay, and in case we are given the sum of n terms and we have to find some particular term in AP, okay, suppose this is the fourth term, first term, second term, third term, this is the fourth term, and this fourth term is removed from the question and we have to find that fourth term. Then what will be given to us? We will be given the sum of 5 terms, sorry, sum of 4 terms and sum of 3 terms also, 3 terms also. Now what I want to say here is that in case you have to find some particular terms, जैसे मेरे को मान लो A4 निकालना है, then how can I find S4 minus S3? okay, sum of n terms till the that removed term minus sum till previous term. okay, in case if I want to find the fifth term, okay, then how will I find sum of fifth term minus sum of 4 terms? okay, can I write the formula like this? an is equal to sn minus sn minus 1. okay, this is the basic concept. Now if we apply, suppose in this question itself, if the sum of 4 terms you are given as 4 plus 2 6 6 12 sum of 4 terms you are given as 20 and sum of 3 terms you will find by the formula. okay, now let's frame a question na. If sum of 4 terms is 20 and sum then find fourth term. ठीक है, you are given the sum of 4 terms, then you have to find the fourth term itself. Now we will apply the formula an is equal to sn minus 1. ठीक है, sum till that term minus sum till the preceding terms. okay, now sum of 4 terms we are given, we have to find the value of fourth term only. So sum of 4 term is 20 and sum of 3 terms we need. okay, we need sum of 3 terms. Now sum of 3 terms we will find from the formula n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you will get the sum of 3 terms, 3 by 2 into a के value क्या है 2. this is the AP. so 3 minus 1 into d कितना है 2. so this will be 2 कॉमन लो अंदर से, so 3 by 2 2 बाहर आ गया तो अंदर क्या बचा 2 plus 2. okay, 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we remain with 3 into 4, that is 12. okay, so we have got the value of sum of 3 terms as 12. now for finding the fourth term we have to minus or subtract sum of third term from the sum of fourth term. now in case I want to find the value of fourth term, then I have to subtract sum of 4 terms and sum of 3 terms. both you have the value 20 minus 12 and you have got the value of fourth term as 8. This was the concept. okay, so here 8 will come. I hope you have got the concept. Now do we have some questions? Now in case based on this concept, let's do a question. If Sn of, or write it as sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to 5n square plus 3n, then find its nth term. Let's skip this question for a minute. Let's do this question first. okay, if an AP the sum of first n terms is 3n square upon 2 plus 5n upon 2, find its 25th term. okay, now we have to find the 25th term, and how will we find? We have to find 25th term, so 25th term will be S25 minus S24. ठीक है, sum of 25 terms minus sum till 24 terms. okay, now in this question we have given the value of the sum. okay, sum you are given. Now you don't have to apply the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You don't need to apply that formula because the question itself provides the formula. Okay, this question's formula is 3n square plus upon 2 plus 5n upon 2. Okay, the question will say that this is the formula I am providing to you. Put that formula, put the values and find the answer accordingly. Don't apply the formula to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in case the question provides the sum ka formula, then you don't need to apply the bada wala formula. Okay, now in this question itself we are given the sum, so let's put n ki value 25. So a25 will be s25, so s25 will be 3 into 25 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 प्लस 5 इंटू 25 अपॉन 2, ठीक है, माइनस 3 इंटू 24, ये S24 है, का स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 प्लस 5 इंटू 24 अपॉन 2. ओके, सो नाउ सॉल्व इट. 25 इंटू 25 625 इसको काटें क्या अब. ओके, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 625 अपॉन 2 प्लस काम करते हैं ना 125 अपॉन 2 माइनस 24 इंटू 24 कितना होता है, 24 इंटू 24 विल बी 576. सो 576 3 इंटू 576 अपॉन 2 plus 24 into 5, 4 5 is 20, 5 2 is 10, 11 12 upon 2. Let's solve this. सॉल्व करेंगे हम इसको, तो 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6 7, 3 6 is 18, 1 8 7 5 प्लस 125 माइनस कितना हो जाएगा, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, 22, 3 5 16 16 17 माइनस 120 होल अपॉन 2. ठीक है, अब इसको सॉल्व करो तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 1875 प्लस 125, 1875 प्लस 125 कितना होता है, 2000 माइनस 1728, 1728 को माइनस करेंगे तो ये 199 बन जाएगा. तो ये 9 माइनस 2 विल बी 7, ठीक है, और 9 माइनस 7 विल बी 2, तो 272, 272 माइनस 120, दिस इज माइनस 120 अपॉन 2. सो माइनस करो 2, आपका आंसर होगा 2, 7 माइनस 2 5, 152 अपॉन 2, and your 25th term will be 76. Okay, I hope you have got the concept. In case if the formula of sum the question will provide, then you don't need to apply the formula. ठीक है, now let me write it. If the question provide you the formula of sum, then you will not apply the standard formula. Standard formula means n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This you will not apply if in case the question gives you the sum ka formula. Okay, now the previous question, okay, that what I had skipped. The previous question was, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is given. Previous question was sum of n terms is given as 5n square plus 3n, ठीक है, then we have to find the value of nth term. So in case if we have to find the value of nth term, can I write like this, and sn minus 1. Okay, and in this question itself the question provides the sum ka formula. ठीक है, so this is the sum formula for sum, so we have to apply this formula only. Okay, so this is the sum, so 5n का square minus 3n this is till Sn. So Sn minus 1 will be 5 into n minus 1 ka whole square plus 3 into n minus 1. Okay, this is Sn minus 1. Okay, according to the question, according to the formula of the question. Okay, we will get the value of an. So 5n square minus 3n, and this will be Sn square plus 1 minus 2n plus 3n minus 3. Okay, now solve this. 5n square minus 3n minus this will be, this is s na, no, this is 5n square minus 5 plus 10n. Okay, it will be minus 3n plus 3. Okay, just look the calculation. 5n square and 5n square will get cancelled. Okay, this will be 7n minus 3n plus 3 is equal to an. Okay, now 5n, 7 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4n. 4n plus 3 is your nth term. I hope you have got the concept. Simple concept is, in case if you have to find some particular term, you have to you can find by finding the sum till that term minus sum till the preceding term. Okay, in case if you have to find the 7th term, then you will find like this: 7n minus sum of 7 terms minus sum of 6 terms. Okay, in case you have to find the value of 8th term, then s8 minus s7. Okay, in case the formula, in case the question doesn't provides the formula, then you will apply the bigger formula, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in case the question doesn't provide the sum ka formula. In case the question provides you the formula, then you will apply the question wala formula. Okay, then you don't need to apply this. So here we are done with all the concepts in AP. Okay, now the next video will be of the words problem of this chapter and some exam type questions also. Okay, so here we are done with all the concepts. So let's wait for the next video. Bye, thank you so much.